What's up, YouTube? My name is Aaron with All Three Pools and ICF Guru, and today I'm going to give you guys a tour of what we like to call the chill zone. It's actually the greenhouse at Two Rivers wedding venue, but we were part of the construction of the new addition called the chill zone, where they built this beautiful lake that's behind me, amazing waterfall. It has a monstrous pump with an 8-inch effluent that's running that big waterfall, and it's coming right out of the back of our pool, which is a pool that I'm going to take you through in a minute with a 60-foot infinity edge. And then there's an outdoor living space, sunken living room, just the works. And I'm going to take you through all of that right now. Okay, so I'm really excited to show you guys this one. If it had been done prior to October, this would have been our big entry into the ICF Awards this year. But Caleb, the owner, he's very much a man after my own heart, very DIY centric. He was a landscaper and horticulture guy for the first half of his career. And now he's making this 50-acre property just really special. He's got like 2,000 rose bushes planted. I mean, it's just gonna be a really neat place. But the first thing he did was build a series of lakes. There's one above this that feeds into this. And then he built this amazing deck that has enough space to seat about 40 to 50 people for small weddings and elopements right in front of that waterfall, as well as his big venues that already exist across the property. And then for the wedding parties, they can stay in these cabanas, or they're actually houses. I don't know why I call them cabanas, but they can stay in these houses that flank this amazing pool space and outdoor living space. I am so excited to show you guys this stuff. This was one of our real passion projects this year. It's a special pool, but it's a really just special project in general. It has turned out amazing. Let's go check it out. All right, guys, so this pool is a long time in the making. This thing was in design for like a year before we ever got to set foot on it. When it finally happened, we knocked it out really quick. It's a 30 by 60 Monopour, meaning we pour the floor, walls, all these tanning ledges all at the same time, including this sunken living room, which is like a 15-foot by 15-foot square with the stairs coming down in it. Now, one of the illusions is that everyone thinks this deck is the same height as the pool, but it's actually, there's a concrete floor that is the same height, about a foot or a little more even below this deck, where they're able to run gas lines and electrical all around here. And if I stood there, I would be way out of the water, and this is actually like 4.5 feet of water depth. It's like chest deep. So beautiful pool. They went with a sandy color because they wanted that Caribbean look, and the beige colors, believe it or not, make the water look kind of emerald green like it would in the Caribbean. So they wanted that real earth tone look, and not as white or blue or the really dark finishes that you see us doing a lot of. So they dyed their concrete, everything, to kind of have that match. The whole living room over here is all kind of earth tone stonework and stucco. Worked out great. We've got a monster pump doing this 60-foot infinity edge. So you can see the execution of the tile line is just so good that it doesn't take a lot of flow at all to keep that entire edge wet. Then there's another pump that does all the heating, filtration, chlorination. And one of the cool things Eric designs into the hydraulics now is our infinity edge. We used to just do a bank of returns in the wall, but it's actually, we use a linear main drain in reverse. We put the water through the linear and it just boils out of the floor, making it a lot more free of odd turbulence. It just comes out and just kind of boils over when we turn those pumps on. Just kind of raises the water about an inch or half an inch and lets that spillover begin to happen. So guys, this is becoming like kind of the focal point of their property. They got these two beautiful venues that you can do the weddings at. And then this is, you know, really the after party place. They built 4 houses that are very awesome. We're gonna take you in there in just a second. And those houses are for the wedding parties or people, they're Airbnbs after the wedding. You're a little bit south of Springfield. You got a big party that's traveled in from Kansas City, St. Louis, or farther. You wanna stay here. You know, you've been partying, and this is the spot. I mean, you're hanging out here. I'll take you into the houses here in a sec to show you kind of how awesome those spots are. So yeah, it's a quick, I mean, it's a 2-story, kind of A-frame on the 2nd story. Gorgeous kitchen. I mean, Caleb's wife has exquisite taste. She's done amazing work with the granite. I mean, this stuff is beautiful. And you can just see this, the color palette is very congruent through the whole place. I think these are Murphy beds. They are, which is fun. So that's how they get the sleeping capacity up on these things. All right, guys, I hope you really enjoyed this tour. I enjoyed bringing it to you. I've been wanting to do this one for quite a while. They finally got all the sod down and it is just looking beautiful. As always, if you guys like this content, we're gonna be doing so much more video than we have in the past over the next several months. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll know when we post new ones. As always, check out all3pools.com for all your ICF and pool training and supply needs. And I will see you guys next time.